Hey everyone, this is Sai here. Today we're going to go over some keyboard shortcuts in NetSuite. To get started, the most important item in NetSuite is a global search. So wherever you are on the page, if you really quickly wanted to go to the search bar, all you have to do is press Alt and G. I'm going to take you here. So if I were to look for a customer, I can get into their dashboard using dash, and like if the name of the customer contains test. So once this loads up here, another quick tip when you're a record is to quickly navigate to subtabs. So you see how a letter is highlighted in the subtab name. Alt and Y here would take you to system information, because Y is the letter underscored here in this word for support, Alt and U. So this is a quick way to navigate if you're in a hurry. Another quick tip in the search bar is usage of search prefixes or even regular expression. So this would give me all the customers starting with letter IC, right? If I only just wanted to see customers with starting with ICA or ICM, that's what would allow me to do so with this operator R. So this is another quick tip that allows you to save time when you're searching for results in NetSuite.